Too much GH nie. Ghana for Ashefo Etiefo. Onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa on my Ghana so na ye de bremu one God nie, the only one God in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo a mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH.
The Lord bless you. The Lord bless your family. The Lord bless all IKWC members, friends, and loved ones who have been there for me. Loyal listeners who have been watching my status. I said this week should be a good week. This week should be a blessing. Goodness and mercy shall follow you. Where you lacked last week, this week shall not lack. Only walk with faith and confidence and know that you will get there. I have faith in you and I have belief in you that I shall see you in 2021. The Lord bless you and keep you safe. This is your brother Apostle Maxwell Martey. I love you. Peace. God bless you.
Yeah, like that.
This is beautiful.
Yes, on a boy. Opos. Ah, okay. You're alive, you're alive. Okay, let's go. Go.
Yeah. You breathe in and out.
Go.
Manage your corona.
Go.
Yeah.
That's right. That's our last ball. Go. Nice one.
Go.
Man, the top. Alright.
Is that easy? As well. Laba. It is good to train. After morning training, we are in the gym to train. The same I ask God to remember the country that are suffering from coronavirus. May God remember Italy, US, London, Israel, France, whichever country. May God remember you. You know, I want you to know that I'm obeying the rules. I have my sanitizer, I have my everything. And we are doing our best. So we are training. Join me and let's train. Yeah. It is good to train. It's good to build a new system, so we are doing our best. Papa, God bless you, Paulo Poco. We are doing our best in the gym. We are doing everything. So we are doing our best, building the physical and the spiritual. As you know, I'm building the physical and the spiritual. God bless you, Paulo Poco. Yes, the distance is working. Yeah, we have social distance. Everything is there. I'm making sure we are obeying the rules. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing right now. Shade da shade.
Ready up. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Well, I have a paper.
Let's go. Get over no OJ if you are. Ah, yeah, stone, okay. Let's go. Go. Let's try it. 1, go. 2, go. 3, 4, go. Last 2, go. Last one. Whoosh.
Move it.
Ah, man. More strength.
Easier. Go.
Go. That's right. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain, man. Like if you handle him, if you hold him. As if you that one there, if you hold him. Yeah, watch it. Chris, wow. Okay.
This is me. It still goes on. Where we have gotten to, we are getting to the higher weight, the heavy weight. I'm supposed to go 5, but I'll try to went to 10. Yes. Supposed to go 5, but I went to 10. You see. So this is okay. It is good to train. I are training. Let's train and let's build our immune system. It is good to train. You understand? Exercise profit. Exercise profit. Okay? So let's train. Let's do it. Exercise is good. And I know God is up to something in your life. Don't be afraid and don't be moved. Train. It is good to train. So I'm building my body. I'm building my life. I'm building my life. Let's build together. And let's train together. Exercise profit. What is written is written. You see? I have more to go. Yes. So we're going that way too. You see? Yes.
Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, lift. Go. Hey, stop.
I'm going. God bless you.